Daddy and Gran and Granddad and Tammy and Jace and Chloe and baby Emily? No. Where are you right now?
At the beach.
You're at the beach? Do you have your little sleep tent ready to go? Got your toys? Collecting some shells? What keeps going in and out over there?
The boat.
The boats, exactly! I know you guys would think this doesn't look like a beach at all because there's no big waves, but it's a good beach for little bubbas. We're sticking close to the jetty where it's really, really calm. Watching the ferries go in and out. There's our little setup. We've got like our own little town, practically. Ready to go in the water? Bubs? Bubba. Oh, wow. Alright, well, that's a nice stimulating video for you guys. Say bye-bye.